Welcome to the lecture number 7. We see examples on elimination of arbitrary function. So first example is form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function z is equal to f of x plus y and g of x minus y. So given example is z is equal to f of x plus y into g of x minus y. Now differentiate this partially with respect to x as well as differentiate partially with respect to y Now first if we differentiate with respect to x, z is nothing but, in short, we can write it as f into g. So differentiate with respect to x, del z by del x we obtained, which is equal to derivative of z with respect to x, and here we have two function are in multiplication. So and in both the function we have x and y. So we have to use here product rule. First function, that is f as it is, multiplied by f of x plus y as it is, multiplied by derivative of g of x minus y with respect to x is g dash of x minus y, plus g dash of g of x minus y as it is, multiplied by derivative of f of x plus y is f dash of x plus y. So in short it can be written as p is equal to f multiplied by g dash plus g multiplied by f dash, because derivative with respect to x is here 1. Next, if again we differentiate partially. So again differentiate partially with respect to x. So del 2z by del x square, it is equal to f multiplied by g dash. So we have to use here again product rule, f multiplied by g double dash plus g dash multiplied by derivative of f is f dash, plus now for second term g multiplied by f double dash plus f dash multiplied by derivative of g, that is g dash. So it can be written as del 2z by del x square is denoted by r, which is equal to f into g double dash plus 2 times f dash into g dash plus g into f double dash. So this is value of r. Now we go for differentiating partially with respect to y. So del z by del y, it is equal to derivative of f of x plus y is f of x plus y as it is into derivative of g, that is g dash of x minus y, multiplied by derivative of x minus y with respect to y is here minus 1, plus g of x minus y as it is into derivative of f of x plus y is f dash of x plus y into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and y derivative is 0. So here it is 1. Next, del z by del y is denoted by q. So q is equal to f into minus of f into g dash plus g into f dash. This we get. Now next is find out, again differentiate partially with respect to y. So it is del 2z by del y square, derivative of del z by del y with respect to y is del 2z by del y square, it is equal to minus outside derivative of f into derivative of g dash with respect to y is g double dash multiplied by derivative of g is minus 1. Derivative of x minus y is minus 1, plus g dash as it is, derivative of f is f dash multiplied by derivative of x plus y is 1, plus g multiplied by f double dash plus f dash multiplied by g. So derivative of g is g dash and its derivative of x minus y is minus 1. So del 2z by del y square is t it is equal to minus with this minus, it is plus f of g double dash minus g dash into f dash plus g into f double dash minus g dash into f dash. So t can be written as t is equal to f of g double dash minus 2 times g dash or f dash into g dash, f dash into g dash plus g into f double dash. So this we obtained for t. So we get first equation p, which is f into g dash plus g into f dash. Second equation q is f into minus of f into g dash plus g into f dash. This is second equation. Third equation is r is equal to f into g double dash plus 2 into f dash into g dash plus g into f double dash. And fourth equation is f into g double dash minus 2 into f dash into g dash plus g into f double dash. Now how to eliminate f and g? In all terms we get f as well as g. So to eliminate f and g we have to find out some relationship, and here you will get different types of partial differential equation. So here p is fg dash plus g into f dash. Here minus fg dash plus g into f dash. Now what is the similarity between this p and q? If we add this p and q, we will get 2 times g into f dash. But whether we get g into f dash from any another equation. So here we don't have g into f dash term, so we cannot do like that. We cannot add p and q because we will not get g into f dash from any remaining equation. So here we have g double dash, f double dash or g dash and f dash term is present. Now what is the relation between r and t? If we observe r and t, if we add or subtract r and t, if we subtract r and t, then only this term will remain. 2 times f dash g dash plus 2 times f dash g dash. So by using r minus t, we will get value of f dash and g dash. So can we convert this equation number 1 and 2 in terms of f dash and g dash? That we have to think. So for that, if I take p square minus q square. Now what is p? It is f into g dash plus g into f dash whole square plus minus of f into g dash plus g into f dash whole square. Try to find out its square. F first term square plus 2 times first into second plus second term square. So it is f square multiplied by g dash square plus g square multiplied by f dash square plus 2 times f into f dash multiplied by g into g dash. This is the square of first term. Second term is minus. Find out square of f and g dash. So it is f square g dash square plus g square f dash square minus here 2 times f into f dash and g into g dash. So this is equal to, simplified, f square g dash square plus g square f dash square plus 2 times f into f dash g into g dash minus f square g dash square plus plus into minus, it become minus g square into f dash square minus plus 2 times f into f dash g into g dash. So this get cancelled. F square g dash square get cancelled. G square f dash square get cancelled. Remaining is, it is equal to 4 times f into f dash g into g dash. So this is 4 times f into f dash g into g dash. Now f dash and g dash we can obtain by using using r and t. So how to find out f into f dash and g into g dash? So this is the equation which we obtained after simplification. P square minus q square is equal to 4 times fg into f dash g dash. But we know that f into g is given function, that is z. So 4z f dash into g dash. Now can we get f dash and g dash by using r and t? Yes. We have already discussed about it. R minus t can be written as 4 times f dash into g dash. If we find out its subtraction, we get 4 times f dash into g dash. So this become, let us check this, r minus t. R minus t is 4 times f dash into g dash, because this get cancelled, first two terms, last two terms get cancelled, remaining is 2 f dash g dash minus 2 times f dash g dash become plus 2 times f dash g dash. So it is 4 times f dash g dash. Now substituting in this equation r minus t, so p square minus q square is equal to 4z multiplied by z multiplied by 4 times f dash into g dash. Can we write like this? Z as it is 4 times f dash g dash. Now p square minus q square, it is equal to z as it is 4 times f dash g dash value is r minus t. So we obtained the relation which is free from f and g or f dash and g dash, which is p square minus q square is equal to rz minus z into t. So this is the partial differential equation free from arbitrary function. Thank you.